Anti-inflammatory drinks to boost your immune system. 1. Apple Carrot Beet Smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to drink your veggies, and you can tell from its vibrant red color that it's brimming with antioxidants. A delicious combination of beets, ginger, carrots, orange, and apple sure makes for one health-boosting smoothie. 2. Turmeric Tea. This warm and soothing blend of ground turmeric, lemon juice, and honey does wonders for the body. Similar to golden milk, turmeric provides anti-inflammatory compounds that provide a range of health benefits in a quick-to-make tea. 3. Green Juice. Skip the juice line at your local store and make this rockstar green juice at home. It's a super greens recipe filled with antioxidant powers from kale, spinach, cucumber, and ginger. And surprisingly, it's not at all bitter thanks to a splash of apple juice. It's a delight to drink. 4. Pineapple Turmeric Smoothie. This creamy tropical smoothie pairs two anti-inflammatory powerhouses, turmeric and ginger. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin D, and potassium, along with other vitamins and nutrients. It's a sunshine smoothie that's naturally sweet and will definitely brighten your day.